How to fix the Facebook login issue on TikTok. So if you're trying to sign into TikTok using a Facebook account and it's not working, I'm going to show you how to solve this. Now, first thing you need to do is go and load up the Facebook app on your mobile and then click on Menu in the bottom right hand side. You can then scroll down and click on Settings and Privacy and then click on Settings. Now scroll down this page and underneath your activity, click on Apps and Websites. Now scroll down again until you see apps, websites, and games, and if this is currently turned on, click on the turn off button and click on turn off. You'll then need to make sure it's turned on, so go and press turn on and press the turn on button. So now it should be turned on and you can close out of Facebook. Now go and load up the TikTok app. Click on the settings bar in the top right hand side and click on settings and privacy. You could then scroll down this page and click on free up space. Now next to cache, click on clear and press the clear button, and you'll also need to do the same for the downloads as well. Now once you've done this, you'll need to close out of the Facebook and also the TikTok app. You could then try reloading TikTok and you should now be able to sign in to your Facebook account. If it's still not working, then go and load up the App Store and click on your profile icon in the top right hand side. You could then scroll down to the updates and click on this update all button and just ensure that TikTok is fully up to date. You could then try restarting your phone and once again that should now solve the issue.